Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, I'll be talking about 3 things that moms eat, or 3 things that I eat. I don't know about other moms, but these are just my things. Not things that I hate about being a mom, but the things that other persons would do or expect you to do and stuff like that. So let's jump right in. Okay, so number 1, well, let me start from the here one. Alright, so number 3, I hate when random strangers or persons that I'm not close with or persons that I don't like pinch his cheek or try to kiss him. Like, I really hate that. Like, don't be kissing my child, don't be touching my child in his face and pinching his cheek and, oh, he's so cute, well. Like, don't touch him. I don't know where your hand has been, I don't know where your mouth has been. Do not put it on my child. Like, yeah, you can look and say, hi, he's so cute, whatever, but don't touch him. And worst of all, don't try to kiss him. Like, that annoy me. Like, how you think that, like, just like come kiss up people pitting, like, don't put your mouth on him, don't put your dirty hand in him face. Like, it's annoying and I really hate it. So don't do it to people pitting. Like, whereas if you're not family and you're not a friend, like, just don't do it. Especially when it's like a really young baby, like a couple months old and stuff like that. Like, don't put your hand in their faces, do not kiss them and stuff like that. Like, I remember when Amara was just born and used to bring him to church, and like, I'm not friends with persons, I'm not friends with the persons in my church, and they'd always like, oh, he's so cute, I want to touch him in his face, and it used to annoy me so much. Like, you don't like me, so why you touch my pitney? Like, don't touch him, just leave him alone. But anyways, yes, so that's something. Number 2, I hate when persons expect me to always have time to hang out or to go out or to do things with them. Like, nah sis, it don't work like that. I don't have the time. Like, I mean, I would love to hang out with you and I'd love to do all sorts of things, but I just don't have the time. And so yeah, I hate, I don't know. Like, alright, so I work during the week, so when I'm leaving out in the mornings, I'm already sleeping, and then most of the times that I get back home, he's sleeping, or if he's not sleeping, he's going down to sleep in less than an hour, right? So basically, I don't spend any time with him during the week. So if you like, hey, we can go somewhere tonight, or we can go chill out tonight, or we can go somewhere tonight, and I'm like, oh no, I'm not going to take me. Don't get upset. Like, don't get upset about that, because don't get upset about it, because my child come first, not you. So I'm always going to put him first, and I'm sorry if that offends you, but that's just how it goes. Like, I don't spend enough time with him, so I'm always going to want to leave work or rush home to at least get to spend an hour with him before he goes to sleep. And spending time with Amari and my family is like very important to me. It means a lot to me, and if you don't understand that as my friend or whatever, then go float yourself. Sorry. And on weekends sometimes I'll try to, you know, go out or something. Not, I'm kidding, I don't go anywhere. But anyways, yes, on weekends, you know, it's time when I get to wash and clean and iron and do all of that. So I might not have the time either, but then if it's something important, like, you know, you're doing something and you want my support, then I'll try to make the time to come. Or if it's somewhere where I can take my child with me, then I'll come. So hint, if you want to hang out, ensure that it's somewhere that's child friendly so that I can bring him with me. Because I mean, come on, my mommy keeps him during the week, right? So on weekends, no, I'm not going to just want to leave him on her again. Because like, I mean, she have a life too, so she's going to want to do things without having to worry about my child. So on weekends, I take full responsibility every time I spend with him. So if I'm going somewhere, I'm going to take him with me. So if you want to hang out, ensure that it's somewhere where I can take him with me, and it's in the day, because it just likes to sleep. So yeah. All right, so the number one thing that I hate, like it annoys me, it's like so much, so is when people try to overrule my decision as the parent. Like, don't do that. If I say stop, they just keep passing every minute and just interrupting me like, yo. Anyways, so the number one thing that I hate is when people try to overrule my decision as the parent, right? So if I say I don't want Tamari having too much sweets, don't tell me, say, oh, it's just one sweetie, or it's just him not eat it every day. Like, I said I don't want him having too much sweets, then just don't give him too much sweets. Like, I'm his mother. Like, who are you? You're not his mother. I'm his mother, so whatever. If I say that, you know, I don't want Amari doing this, don't tell me, say, oh, this and that, and give me all the reason why he should. And if I say no, Amari, you say yes, Amari, and like that drives me up the wall. Like, you just can't do that. The parent has the say overall, so don't try to overrule my decisions or try to parent him. Like, you're not his mother, you're not his parent. So I'm sorry if that offends you, but that's just how it goes. And I don't have a problem with like persons giving advice or whatever. That's not what I'm talking about. Like, but just things that I don't want him doing, and then somebody else is going to say, alright, if I say, alright, don't, like if I say, oh, Amari, I don't want you watching that particular movie or that particular cartoon, and then you're going to let him watch it, or you're going to let him do something that I told him not to do, and stuff like that. So that really annoys me, and it makes me really upset. So, and I'm sure that other moms feel the same way about stuff like that. So if you're a mom, let me know down in the comments what are some of the things that you hate that persons do or persons expect you to do, and all of that. So yeah, so if you like today's video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want more videos like these, please let me know down in the comments. So yeah, oh, if anybody is offended by this video, I'm sorry. Not. Bye.